What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Melva, simply Melva that is, and your girl is back with another video. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? So happy Friday, y'all. Today is Friday. We are on our way out the door. We have a couple errands to go run. We need to go by the bank. We need to go get the oil change on the truck. So I wanted to start today's vlog off and say what's up. So we're here at the lube shop getting the oil changed. We decided to stay in the car because, as you can see, it's like a little room right there. Yeah, it's quite a bit of people in there, and it's not really too many seats. And we do have Jamarie, so I was like, I just want to sit in the truck. And the weather is good, y'all. Like, it's not too hot, and of course it ain't cold, but it got a little breeze to it. So why not let the windows down and sit in the truck while they change the oil? So that's what we got going right now, y'all. And yeah, actually I can edit the video before this one, so while I'm sitting here I could be doing something productive.
Shit real. I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
So we are done getting the oil change. We are currently on our way to Panda Express to pick up some lunch. This is breakfast and lunch because we didn't eat breakfast. Yeah, brunch. Look at those dogs. You see them? We didn't eat breakfast. Shit, it's 3. We didn't eat breakfast, so like Josh said, we about to get brunch from Panda Express. Josh wanted Long John Silver's. I haven't saw a Long John Silver in years. Like, I didn't even know they were still in business. Do y'all have a Long John Silver where y'all live? Like, do y'all even know what Long John Silver is? Some people may not know, but yeah, y'all, like I said, we about to get some Panda Express. It's to the left. Look what's over there. Your favorite store. Yeah, his favorite store. We went over there to shop for Jamarie when he was a baby. Y'all can't even see it, but it's Ross, y'all. Ross is over there.
Ross in the category.
Well, yeah, you got one that's for less. It's right there.
Oh, snap.
Y'all, friend passing up the place. Wait, I'm going over here. Y'all look at Jamarie. Y'all, it feels so good out here. Like, so good. It's like a little strip. Marie, he's just waking up, y'all. Marie. Hey, Papa. Look. Hey, you keys. Hey, you keys. Y'all, I got a fortune cookie. Let's read the fortune. be rewarded for your patience and understanding.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Go it in, y'all. Go it in.
Y'all, Josh gonna read his fortune out of his fortune cookie. Talk loud so they can hear you.
You will be showered with good luck.
Amen. Amen.
Sure.
I know that's right. Y'all, we came to Ross, Joshua's favorite store, just to walk around and kill some time because it's like 1:10. Solomon don't get off until like 2:30ish, but we just killing time. And then they have a Spirit Halloween store that I want to go into just to see what they got. So yeah, y'all, let's go into Ross.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in peace, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you to know, baby. Tell me that you're coming through.
Many hours later.
Yeah, we back home and I got this cinnamon gourmand calendar. Never mind these two. Focus. Look at them. Terrible. But yeah, this one smells really good. And it was, hold on, $8.99. Look at the phone. It's probably Tara. You can answer it. And then I got this apple cinnamon and maple
I forgot I gotta go to work. What'd you say?
candle, and it was $9.99. Y'all, smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in the living room.
Okay. Put that back and don't do that. What if it would accidentally left your hand? That would be bad. So don't even take a chance, okay? Yeah.
It smells that good. Like the room is already starting to smell good. All right, y'all. So we are back at home, and Solomon is hungry, so he loves the orange chicken just like me. So I'm just basically about to give him some of this orange chicken and this rice, because I didn't finish it, of course, so I still got a whole meal. And then I'm gonna still have a whole meal for myself after I give him some. So that's basically what he about to eat right now. And Joshua's about to get ready to go to work. And basically I have a video about to go live, so I'm about to work on that. And we about to just chill and hang out, y'all. I'm tired. We actually been going all day, like literally. Shoot, he probably ain't gonna eat that much, so he gonna mess over my rice. So I ain't about to do all that. You leaving out? Yeah. Okay, let me hold on, y'all. Y'all, the good sis Peyton Charles uploaded back to back. I'm behind, y'all. I got videos to watch. If y'all not already, this one right here, real, authentic. She a whole character, y'all. If y'all not following Peyton Charles, y'all missing out. Y'all sleep. That girl is doing her thing on this platform. Do you hear me? Follow Peyton Charles, man. I'm telling you. Hey y'all, so it is much later and we are just getting back to the house. We had to help Tara move some furniture. Why did I say that so slow? I'm tired. We had to help Tara move some furniture or whatever, and cause she got a new place. Congratulations to Tara. And we just stopped by this pizza place called Patreon or Patron, something like that. Patron, might be, I don't know. But we got some cheesy bread. Let me see. I love their cheesy bread.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Sayo! Lord, the balloon got on the fire from the candle.
I was like, what was
This guy. Anyway, we got some cheese bread, and then we got some pizza. Yeah, this pizza is huge. So yeah, we got pizza. So yeah, y'all, I didn't even get to watch Peyton, so that's what I'm about to get ready to do. And I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys, because I have to start up another one come tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, if you made it to this point, y'all already know what to do. If you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, we see y'all in the next one. Peace.